guys, welcome to 2024. This is a 25-day weight loss challenge. The daily schedule is on my website and will also be on my free app. It's not out yet, but will be released soon, so stay tuned. Alright, smash that thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below, and let's get into the workout. This is a total abs and core workout. We've got 12 ab exercises, 30 to 60 seconds each, with 10 seconds of rest in between. Get on your mat and let's start with flutters. With your shoulders off the mat, core engaged, bring one leg up one at a time, alternating between both legs. If it's too hard, just take breaks in between. It's totally okay, don't be discouraged. And make sure your neck is not tense, your core should be doing the work. Great work guys, 10 seconds rest now and bicycle crunch is next. With your elbows bent, do a crunch having your elbow reaching towards the opposite knee, then alternating and repeating on the other side. Your other leg should extend as you do this. Again, rest whenever you need to and jump back in when you can. Catch your breath, another 10 seconds rest here and toe touches are next. Start with both feet up in the air, giving yourself a moment if you need to, then start reaching towards the opposite ankle, one at a time. I know some of these exercises might be challenging for you, but don't be discouraged as it's all about progression and getting better each week. Your goal each day is to just reach the end of the video. Great job guys, 10 seconds rest now. Flip around and get into a low plank and rotate plank twist is next. While in the low plank, get into a side plank with your elbows bent, then twist forward, working on your obliques, then go back to neutral, and then repeat on the other side. We got a whole minute of this, keep pushing. You're doing great guys, keep pushing yourself through, you can do this. Plank with hip dips are next. While in a low plank, lower your hips off to the side one at a time, engage your core and work on your abs. This can be a little bit challenging, so take a little break if you need to and then jump back into it. Great job guys, flip around and hollow in and out is next. Lift your shoulders off the mat, chin tuck in. Now extend your legs straight, then bring them back in and out. You can either have your elbows bent to the side of your head or have it flat on your mat like so. Nicely done guys, we're halfway through the workout. Just 5 more minutes to go, you got this. Bent leg crunches are next. Have your legs up, knees bent, inhale, then crunch forward and exhale, pulsing twice and repeat. Take your time with these, rest if you need to, and try your best to have your knees bent the whole time. Ten seconds rest now, stay where you are on your mat, and single leg lift crunch is next. Start by bending one knee, bringing it as close to your chest, have both hands locked and off to the side of that bent knee, then hold this position while having the other leg raised up and back down slowly. Your shoulders should be off the mat while your core is engaged. Take breaks as needed, keep pushing yourself through this, not long to go. Great work guys, rest up and we'll work the other side. Same as before, one knee bent, crunch forward, hands together and off to the side. And then we'll work the other leg. Just 3 more exercises to go guys, don't quit on us now, you got this. Great work guys, flip around into a low plank. We got plank, tap and raise. While in a low plank, raise one foot upwards, bring it back down, then off to the side and then repeat with the other leg. Go at your own pace, we're almost done guys. Ten seconds rest again, leg raise to tuck is next. Get into a high plank, then raise one leg up high, then bring it back in towards your chest, and now repeat on the other side. The worst is over guys, just one more exercise to go and we'll be done. Great work guys, final exercise of this workout, and we've got plank to finish it off. Alright, get into a low plank with your arms and upper body holding you firm. Focus on your core and breathe. Engage your core by pulling in your belly button towards your spine and engage your glutes and quads. Just a couple more seconds and we'll be done. And that's the workout, guys. Great job in reaching the end of this workout. Remember, it's all about consistency and getting better each time. Enjoy the rest of the program and do me a favor and drop a comment and like on this video. It helps me a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next workout. Bye!